Break. Be careful, the thorns shall break us. He gave his finger a prick with a needle. Pour. She poured tea into the cups. The waterfall poured into the river. Cram. To try to learn a lot quickly before an exam. I need to cram for tomorrow's exam. There is so much material to cover. The students decided to cram together in the library to review for the challenging task. Dung. The farmer used dung as a fertilizer for his crops. Be careful not to step on the dung left by the grazing animals. Scold. Don't scold the child. It's not his fault. Don't scold children without any reason. Wicked. Morally wrong and bad. She is a wicked girl. Wicked child is quite annoying. Ash. I flicked ash into the ashtray. The cigarette burned down to a pile of ash. Haughty. Arrogant. A haughty queen ruled here. His tone turned haughty instantly. Repeat. Please repeat after me. Don't forget to repeat the process twice. Tear. I saw my brother tear up the letter. He tore the newspaper into pieces. Fair. She has a fear of dark. We feel fear when we hear thunder. Sweat. After running, he was covered in sweat. The hot weather made them sweat heavily.